You have reached the emergency 911 hotline. Press 1 for police assistance. Press 2 for fire department. Press 3 for emergency.
So, when somebody presses 1 there, there's a ring.
Good morning, 911. Where's your emergency?
Can you connect me to Tracy Martires, Cavite City?
Copy,
Tracy
sir.
Martires
Pabawal
City,
po, sir.
Cavite. Tracy Martires City, Cavite.
Tracy Martires.
Copy, sir.
Sino kausap? Sir, somebody, one of these operators, sir, is answering our calls. So, ang standard natin, sir, is 3 rings. So, 3 rings, matatawagan, sir. But, the faster way is Zalo. May, sa tunay na buhay,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Test call from
Yes, sir. Good
PCC.
morning po.
Pwede bang malaman ang pangalan mo, state your name and your location?
10 po, sir. NUP Calosa, sir. Exact 20, Tracy Martires Police Station, Barangay Gregorio, Tracy Martires City, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Kindly dispatch 1 unit with body camera, o 1 unit with body camera to Mayor Gemma Lubigan. Papuntahan mo at gusto namin siyang makita sa command center. Send 1 unit with body camera to Mayor Gemma Lubigan.
10 po, sir. Sending
Dispatch.
3 patrollers, sir, to City Hall, sir.
Copy. Sige. Time starts now.
Break. 3 patrollers.
10%, 10%.
So, Mr. President, the police cars of Tracy Martires are now running to City Hall. They have 4 body cameras. The others are using the old phones, discarded phones that we retrieved from the storage and placed Zoom meeting. Left panel. Yes, sir. May stop po, sir. Kailan 5 minutes yun, sir. They need to be in the City Hall within 5 minutes.
Advice PWC on responding team.
Dito na malaman, sir, kung si Mayor, sir, ay nandun sa City Hall or wala. Pag wala, sir, makikita natin ang City Hall. Pwede rin natin actually siyang mahanap, sir, kung nasaan siya. Basta within city limits, we can send another patrol car to her location. There you go.
695 base. PWC ng responding team.
Diretso sa Mayor's office. Kamo si pinapahanap siya ng presidente and si SILG. So, sir, we are now in the place of alarm, which is the Tracy Martires City Hall, in 1 minute and 13 seconds.
As per advised by Code 1.
Paki-instruct, tawagan si Mayor.
Sir, Alasag base, 695 base.
Go ahead, 695 base. This is sir.
Sige, Tango. Kay Sir 612 na. Tuloy mo lang. Nagmo-monitor kami sa command center. Monitoring sa command center. Pakihanap si Mayor. Paghanap si Mayor. So, sa ngayon, sir,
695 base. Advice.
sa ngayon, sir, may papakita rin kami mamaya, sir, ng mga
Sabihin kay Mayor na
tumatakbo,
tumawag
sir.
kay LG.
Yes, sir. That's already inside City Hall. Going to the Mayor's office, sir. Hindi, sir. Pero pwede nating matawagan, sir, through video call kung may... hindi, sir. Hindi, sir. One way tayo, sir. Nakikita natin siya, pero hindi natin sila nakikita.
Personnel, pakisabi kay Mayor, tumawag kay SILG.
Pakitanong yung number ng pulis na may hawak ng body camera, tawagan natin para makausap siya ni Secretary John Vic. Kunin niyo yung number,
695
tawagan ko.
base,
Yung police.
Kunin namin yung number
Nako,
ng
Diyos me, ito ang
responding
problema
personnel.
natin, sir. Mabilis ang internet, mabilis ang police, mabagal ang internet. the internet is hanging pag sa loob sa ng mga building. Yes, sir. Pero that's one challenge. Yes, sir. Cellphone number? Yes, sir.
695 base, yung cellphone number ng responding personnel.
Yung responding personnel natin, sir, all the time ay nakakausap natin, sir. We are through radio, sir. We are in constant communication with them. Right now, sir. Puntahan natin sa bahay, sir. Address, sir, address. Dispatch, sa bahay ni Mayor. Pakisabi, wala siya sa mga opisina. Diretso sa bahay ni Mayor. Yan na si Mayor. Hinihintay na nila, sir, si Mayor. Ito na, sir. So we are there in 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Yes, sir.